Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to add an email address to your Roblox account on PC using the latest update. Adding your email is a smart move. It helps keep your account secure, makes password recovery easy, and ensures you never miss important notifications from Roblox. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Roblox website. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're on the Roblox homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on the gear icon to open the drop-down menu, then select Settings from the list. Now you're in your account settings. On the left side, make sure you're in the Account Info section. Here you'll see different options related to your account details. Find the section labeled Email Address. If you haven't added an email yet, you'll see an option that says Add Email next to it. Click on Add Email to continue. A new window will appear, prompting you to enter your email address. Type in the email you want to link to your Roblox account. Double-check for typos to make sure you'll receive important messages. After entering your email, click the Add Email button to proceed. Roblox will now send a verification email to the address you just entered. Head over to your email inbox and look for a message from Roblox. Open the email and click the verification link inside. This step confirms that you own the email address and completes the process. That's it. You've successfully added your email address to your Roblox account. With this extra layer of security, you can recover your account more easily and stay updated on all things Roblox. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might need a hand. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Roblox adventures.